Hello, my name is Mario from CourseKey Support, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use the CourseKey Answer Bot located on our CourseKey Help Center. So, once you land on the Help Center webpage, we have plenty of helpful documentation here meant for all users of our platform, students, instructors, and administrators. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll notice a little text bubble along with a little chat icon. When you click on that, you'll be brought to the CourseKey Answer Bot. The CourseKey Answer Bot was made to help support our users for issues they may have while using our platform. Here we've populated some of the most common support tickets. However, should you have another issue, you could always type in your issue here, and then the support bot will parse articles that we have and also custom build workflows to assist you as effectively as possible. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select password reset. The answer bot will go ahead and provide troubleshooting steps and messages carefully crafted by our support team to effectively assist you. However, should your issue not be resolved by the initial response, you could go ahead and select the No, I Still Need Help option. What the answer bot will then do is ask you a couple questions to help identify you to our support team in order to effectively assist you further. In this case, I'll type in my name, I will type in my email, and I'll type in my school. Once all the information is provided, a support ticket will be created for our support team in order to investigate and assist accordingly. Thank you for using CourseKey, and thank you for using the CourseKey Answer Bot.